So before teaching the lesson of mixed numbers and improper fractions, I would play this mini video which acts as sort of a refresh for students to recall their prior knowledge on mixed numbers and improper fractions. And this tool is beneficial because it gives students an alternate way of learning, which is through a video. So instead of me giving them notes on a board, the speaker is directly talking to them just about a few quick notes that they need to know for the lesson. So I'll play the video now.
Mathematicians, in this lesson you will learn how to write improper fractions as mixed numbers by using the denominator in the improper fraction to help us draw shapes and split them into equal parts. You know that mixed numbers are fractions that have whole numbers and fractions written together. You know that improper fractions have wholes and fractions, but even the wholes are written in fraction form. The numerator is larger than the denominator, and the numerator is the number of parts we are thinking about, and the denominator is the total number of parts in each whole. Mixed numbers and improper fractions are both ways to write fractions when we have more than one whole broken into equal parts. Because they can both be used to do or show the same thing, mixed numbers and improper fractions can equal one another.
Additionally, this tool can be engaging because it allows for the teacher to embed questions in the video, so I can pause it whenever I want. And I will use this as an introduction to the lesson and possibly for a discussion which can be led by the students because it does have to deal with all of their previous knowledge on the topic.